If you want to know how to run itch.io games, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to get started. Many people visit itch.io and see a huge library of indie games, but not every game needs to be downloaded. Some games can run directly in your browser, which makes the process fast and simple. So if you found a game you want to try, but you are not sure how to launch it, this video will walk you through it step by step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open itch.io in your browser and browse through the games available on the platform. As you look through the listings, pay attention to the game descriptions and details. What you want to find are games that say, play in browser. That message is important because it means the game can be launched directly online without needing to install anything first. Once you find a game that says play in browser, click on the game to open its page. On the game page, you'll usually see a section with the game launch option. Look for the button that says run game. This is the button you need to start playing. Go ahead and click run game and the game should load right inside your browser window. Depending on the game, it may take a few seconds to load, so give it a moment if nothing happens immediately. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection, because browser-based games work best when everything is running smoothly. If the game has sound, controls, or full screen options, you can usually adjust those once it loads, and that's really all there is to it. To run itch.io games, just look for titles that say play in browser, open the game page, and click run game. It's one of the easiest ways to enjoy indie games instantly without downloading extra files or setting up anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials and gaming guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your itch.io games.